Setting. It is a technique where the player use their fingertips to pass the ball accurately to a teammate for attack. Setting is performed by using proper body in hand position to accurately pass the ball to teammate. Stand facing your target and silently bend your knees to stay ready for movement. Present your hands above your forehead and form a triangle shape with your finger. Make sure your only finger strip touch the ball and not your palms. As the ball revises gently, receive it with your finger and quickly push upward by extending your arms while also strengthening your knees to generate inner power. The set should be controlled and directed to so it says the speaker proper. Avoid holding the ball too long or using your palms to prevent committing a violation.